warm good morning, dear students. Welcome to this chemistry live class. As yesterday, good morning. As yesterday also we discussed about the examination pattern. And today I'm going to tell you or revise. We will going to revise about the very important topic, which is definitely question is coming from this topic in term 1 exam as well as in final exam also. Okay, the name of the topic is quantum number. As yesterday I told you, he studied this, and I'm going to tell you. Is there any doubt related to quantum number first? How many of you studied that at your home? Quantum number. Give me thumbs up those who studied quantum set or quantum number. It is same. Good, Priyanka, very good. Anyone? Those who have a little bit seen, but they are not getting anything, that is different thing. Okay, Vanshika, very good. Rupender, if you have studied, Neha, Payal, if you have done it little bit at home, so maybe definitely you know something, Pranjal, something about the quantum number. Okay, so no problem, dear students. First 10 minutes I will tell you, then I will going to ask some oral question from you. Okay, so is there any doubt from chapter 1 before going to start chapter 2? Is there any doubt related to chapter 1? Now see, I'm going to revise what we did. You can note down this topic. As I told you, according to our term 1 syllabus, I'm going to share this is syllabus for chemistry. I think everybody got this syllabus or not? Is there any who still don't know about the syllabus? This is the syllabus. On 13 September, your exam is there, in which some basic concept of chemistry. Significant figure, law of chemical combination, empirical formula. These all things we have already revised. Today I'm going to revise quantum number, in which before this you have already asked me that hydrogen spectrum, and I told one day hydrogen spectrum also. Okay, now today quantum number, electron configuration, orbital, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Hund's rule, Pauli's exclusion. Up to chapter 2, all these up to this topic we need to revise today. Okay, quantum number I'm going to tell you now. After that, electronic configuration, orbital, these all doubts are clear. Then tomorrow you will prepare yourself for unit 4. So tomorrow is Friday, and Saturday you will do state of matter. Okay, in this way, in this week we will come revise our whole unit. So you can take screenshot again of this whatever we are doing, because syllabus must be with you. And one thing that I added, that is calculation of oxidation number. Calculation of oxidation number. Question will come from calculation of oxidation number also. Okay, you add this in your syllabus. So dear students, I'm going to share one more screen. Before going to share, let me tell you through my board. Is it visible to you, this board? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is written there? Aryan Raghav, what is written on my board?
Revision of quantum numbers.
Yes, revision of quantum number. Now, can you tell me, anyone tell me, what is the meaning of quantum? Quantum. What do you mean by word quantum? Quanta ya quantum? Quantum is some kind of number. It is a series of number. Okay, a series of number, set of number. So now chapter name is structure of atom. So you just relate that in atom. How we are relating the atom structure with the number? Yeah, anyone? Any guess? कि atom के structure में number की बात कहाँ से आ रही है? Anyone? Neha, tell something about atom where we are talking about the number. I mean, these are the number in atoms.
Sir, numbers of protons and electrons.
Very good. Number of proton, electron, neutron. It is playing very important role in atom, as we know the atomic number of particular atom is based on the number of electron, proton present in that atom, right? As we know, the atomic mass of that particular atom is totally depending upon the sum of proton and neutron. It means that the number of electron, number of proton, number of neutron is somewhere series of number. Okay, any other thing which is coming, Rupender, in your mind? Akshita, beta, turn on your camera. Yes, Rupender.
No, sir, only this.
Nahi, there are so many things in structure of atom, in the study of atom. Yes, anyone's mind, it is, if it is coming, we will not waste our time. Anyone, Priyanka, Uma, Leila, Nishant, Priyanjal. In atom, you have studied this magic number also. These are also number. Am I right? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. We studied this also. Where we studied this? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. Leila, where we studied, beta? The series of these numbers.
Sir, magic number.
Sir, why this is called magic number? Very good. Here also number is there. See, why it is called magic number? Because this magic number gives us, yes, if you want to. This magic number is giving us idea about the number of electron in a particular orbit. क्या word use हुआ? Orbit. Alright? A particular number that is present in the orbit. That idea is given by magic number. And after Bohr's model, we came to know the electron are filled inside the atom in a particular orbital. Suppose in K orbit 2 electron, in L orbit 2 times 8 8, in M orbit 2 times 18 18, in N orbit there are 32 32. Okay, clear? Any other thing that we come to know related to number? We are relating number with the atom. Any other thing? First thing you said, number of electron, proton, neutron is very important information, sir. These are number. Second, you said there is magic number, sir. These are also number related to giving idea about the atom. Any other thing? Third thing? Any other thing? Pranjal, any other thing that we come to know from atom, या series of atom or periodic table or atomic number?
Sir, atomic numbers.
Atomic number तो बोल दिया ना यहाँ पर. ये देखो electron, proton, neutron. These are giving idea about electron, atomic number. Any other thing that is a periodic table where atom we are carrying, where atom are classified? Is there any particular number which we need to keep in our mind? Quick, beta, quick. Fast.
Sir, atomic mass.
Atomic mass is sum of proton and neutron. वो भी इसमें आ गया. Number of proton, electron, neutron की series. You have
Sir,
studied.
valencies.
Valency is also there. Very good. Valency. In valency, we are coming to know how by how many electron, by taking how many electron and by giving how many electron, a particular atom is becoming stable. Octet. This is the information in valency, right? Now, if I will tell about periodic table, third important information I'm going to give you. Periodic table. Periodic table is giving 7 periods are there and 18 groups are there, right? Our periodic table is made up of 7 periods and 18 groups, which giving us information about which atom will carry, which atom can kept in which group, which atom will be the same like other atom, in which family which atom is there, okay, what is the configuration, electronic configuration. All this information is given by periodic table. Whereas we know 7 periods are there in a row like this way, and 18 column are there like this way in periodic table. Okay, I think you remembered periodic table. Now, what you are analyzing all this by what you are observing by keeping all this information. You mean the atom? Yeah, atom is the smallest part of any material we studied. Atom is the smallest building block of any matter, right? Clear? But the moment we are studying about atom, in this chapter we are talking about structure of atom. When we are talking about structure of atom, classification of atom, information about atom, we are dealing with the so many numbers. We are dealing with the numbers only. Like We are dealing here with the number of proton, number of electron, number of neutrons. Will give us information about atomic number and atomic mass. The magic number is giving us information about the filling of electron in outermost electron in orbit. Okay. The periodic table is giving us information about the how many periods, how many groups are there. So now, dear student, if we come to know all this information, if we know all this information, it means that we can make a complete set. We can make a complete set of number 2. Study behavior of atom or the structure of atom in detail. That is called quantum. उस चीज को मैं क्या बोला? Quantum set. That is called quantum set. A complete set of number to give information about the atom. It is a complete set of number which give us about the complete information about the study of atom is called quantum set. Give me thumbs up those who understood up to this point. Moving forward. Come on. Okay, so now after this, let me take the picture of this. You can take screenshot, okay? Okay, after this, next. Now ये आपको पता लग गया है कि complete set क्या है, okay?
Complete set of number to give information about atom.
Yes. Complete. It is the set of number. It is the set of number which gives the complete information about the atom. Okay. Now, question is that why there is a need to make quantum number? Why? From where quantum number came? So, dear students, if I will share with you that, you can see here the 3 physicists. There were 3 famous physicists. Note down. Louis de Broglie. De Broglie equation, you know. What is de Broglie equation? Now, side by side, I'm revising that also. What do you mean by de Broglie equation? Rajat, what is de Broglie equation? Tell me the equation. Rajat, what is de Broglie equation? Keep your notebook open, keep your book open. I am telling you, open book practice also you can do, but at least give answer. We studied de Broglie equation in chapter 2 or not? Have we studied de Broglie equation in chapter 2 or not?
Sir, I don't know what is the.
Why? Very good. It means that you were contact from so many days and you have not done this properly. Revise also yesterday. Yes, who will tell me de Broglie equation? Equation you have to tell only.
So lambda equals to h upon mv.
Lambda is equal to h upon mb. Yes, this is the equation of de Broglie equation. Second is Erwin Schrödinger. What is Schrödinger equation now? Erwin Schrödinger. Beta, all these things we studied in chapter 2. It is not new things that we have studied. You open your notebook and you can find this Schrödinger wave equation, dual behavior of de Broglie dual behavior. Lambda is h upon mb. This is de Broglie equation in which the all form of matter like electron, proton, neutron, atom or molecule, these have wave as well as particle character. According to Broglie, all form of matter के हर form, चाहे वो electron है, proton is this, neutron, atom or molecule, these all have 2 behavior. One is wave, second is particle character. And this wave character with the particle character is given by de Broglie, that is lambda is equal to h upon mb. There is the wavelength, lambda is particle wave, is termed by de Broglie wavelength. Okay. And second, it is a derivation also. Then Schrödinger wave equation, it is giving us where psi sign the let me chalo, you see from the book, then again after that last is Werner Karl Heisenberg. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle then? Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Third scientist is Heisenberg. Kunal, what was Heisenberg uncertainty principle? कुछ बोला था इसने वर्नर हाइजेनबर्ग ने in 1927. According to his principle, सब भूल गए. Nothing is in your mind. In this way, how you will give term one exam? Yes, Werner Heisenberg. He states that it is not possible to measure. It is not possible to measure simultaneously both the position and the momentum of microscopic particles with absolute accuracy. What is microscopic particle here? Electron, proton, neutron, which is inside the atom. Okay, let me tell you in a very simple word. सबसे पहले लुइस डी ब्रोगली आया. According to Louis de Broglie, the all form of atom, all form of matter के हर form, चाहे इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लो, प्रोटॉन ले लो, न्यूट्रॉन ले लो, एटम ले लो, मॉलिक्यूल ले लो, सब बहुत छोटे-छोटे. These all form of matter, it behave wave. एक तो ये wave like चलते हैं. Second, it behave like a particle because it is moving from one place to another. And particle nature is this, to move one place to another. But how it is moving? It is moving like wave. I'm showing you, okay. But the quantum mechanical model, by these three, combination of these three physicists, quantum mechanical model came. What is quantum mechanical model? You can read this here. It is written here, quantum mechanics is what? It examines the wave motion of object. क्वांटम नंबर में ऐसे वेव मोशन जो ऑब्जेक्ट का था वो हमें एग्जामिन किया गया. एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल, it is giving us information about atomic orbital also. Atomic orbital is what? It is the specific place between two orbit. है ना? Orbital is what? It is the region. Difference between orbital you studied or not? It is the difference between two shell. And according to quantum number, you can take screenshot also. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, it is not possible to give the exact position of an electron and its energy at the same time, but the probability of finding an electron in an orbital of given energy can be determined. But the probability, but लेकिन हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉन का कौन से ऑर्बिटल में प्रेजेंट है या कौन सी एनर्जी है. It is K shell, L shell, M shell or N shell. There are three quantum numbers. Basically, there are four quantum numbers. I'm going to include fourth one also here. There are four quantum number. There is no three. There is four quantum number. The fourth one I'm going to write here. ठीक है? That is, yes. Which one is the fourth quantum number, Upendra? Spin quantum number. कुछ याद नहीं है तुम्हारे को. सब भूल गए तुम. Spin quantum number, which is represented with S. Okay. Spin quantum number, which is represented with S. Clear? So, principal quantum number, which is represented with N. Principal quantum number, which is represented with M. ठीक है? Second, azimuthal quantum number, which is represented with L. Magnetic quantum number, which is represented with M. Spin quantum number, which is represented with S. Okay. So this is all about this four quantum set. Now, if I will tell one by one, thank you. Wait. Hang on बेटा है ना. Just wait, and it is hang. It screen has hang on. Rest is working. Okay. So this was the about quantum set. As I said, now next one by one, principal quantum number. First is principal quantum number. Main energy level of an orbital. It is the main energy level of the orbital. It indicates the relative size of the orbital, and an increase in n also means increase in the energy of the electron in the orbital. Now understand this with the help of board. We told that these three physicists, their contribution is major to explain the quantum set. Okay, that is first. Who were the first scientists? Yes. Who was the first scientist? Akshita. Akshita. Or second? First is de Broglie, second.
Sir, Erwin Scott.
Schrodinger. Schrodinger.
Sir, Erwin Schrodinger.
Third.
Sir, Carl Heisenberg.
Heisenberg. So by the combination of these three scientists, we got a quantum set in which we said quantum number is giving us complete information about an atom. It is very important to understand. First thing in the quantum set is principal quantum number. Okay. Second is azimuthal quantum number. Third is magnetic quantum number. Fourth is spin quantum number. It means that whenever we are talking about quantum set, we should know the information about these four things. Now, if you will talk about an atom, आपको पता है बड़े अच्छे ढंग से atom structure क्या है? This is the structure of atom or not? Generally, we are representing like this way. All right. Where this is, what is this? Nucleus. And in nucleus, what are there? Aryan Raghav. Which two particles of atoms are there in nucleus?
Neutron, proton.
Very good. Neutron and neutron and proton. Neutron charges no charge, proton charge positively. Clear? Okay. Now electron revolve around the nucleus. Ananya, how electron revolve around the nucleus? अपनी मर्जी से भर देने. Number first in first orbit. What is the name of first orbit?
2.
Okay, electron 2. But
2,
what is the name, beta? What is the name?
8, 18, 18, 32, 32.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then again 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 18, 18, 32, 32. We will fill like this. Now the moment, before we were not known that their electrons are filled in 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 like this way. It was difficult to write the configuration of atom or not. After, when we come to know there is 2 electron, 8 electron, 8 electron, then it become easy or not configuration. Before that, we were not known how we will configure it. It is difficult. Clear? So it means that 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 has given us the information about energy. It given us some information about energy. Now I'm going to remove this. Now energy is what? What do you mean by energy, Nishant? Energy of atom. Energy से क्या समझते हैं? Energy means number of electron and the distribution of electron. Okay, number of electron and distribution of electron. Now Jia, welcome to this live class. Class is going to be end and you are joining right now. My voice is clear or not? Or Lella only it is not clear? Okay, what is energy? See, energy is giving us information about shell. And shell is representing with N. Shell is representing with n. N mean number of shell, and n is what? It is K, L, M, N. You know, am I right? N is K, L, M, N. In K, how many electrons can fill? 2. In L, 2 times 8, 8. 2 times 18, 18. 2 times 32, 32. It means that principal quantum number is giving us information about energy shell. Energy shell giving us information about energy of atom. Energy is represented with shell. It is N and this. Now, second is azimuthal. It is giving us about. It is giving an idea about the. It is giving us idea about the shape of atom, shape of orbital, I said orbital को सब शेल भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है, एक ही बात है, सब शेल भी बोलते हैं. तो कितनी तरह की सब शेल है हमारे पास? S, P, D, F. In S how many electron can fill? 2. P 6, D 10, F 14. Am I right? ये भी नंबर में कन्वर्ट हो गए, इसको भी नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया हमने. थोड़ा सा अगर ये मीटिंग एंड हो गई तो rejoin the meeting again, okay? Magnetic is giving us about information of orientation. कैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन घूमते हैं. So it is giving with representing with M. Okay, this is represented with L. M. Where we are giving on the basis of this, we are giving information. M is magnetic moment. -1, 0, +1 as in teachers note. Or spin is always giving us electron spin clockwise, anti-clockwise, which is -half and +half. Okay, now rejoin meeting with number. It is a set of number. It is a set of number which give us complete information about atom, right? It is a set of number. It is a set of number which give us complete information about atom. Anything. This is the first thing, definition of atom, quantum number. Second thing, what is complete information? What do you mean by complete information? What do you mean by complete information of an atom? What will be the shape of atom? First, complete information. How many number of electrons are there in atom? What will be the energy of atom? How electron will spin around the nucleus? Spin बोल रहा हूं मैं, spin orientation एक घूमना होता है, spin एक ही जगह पर घूमना होता है. Clear? Try to understand. Like some planets that is revolving around the sun. You know very well. Planets are revolving around the sun. Imagine this. Sun is stable. Nucleus is stable inside the atom. And planet like Earth is revolving around the sun. It is revolving or not? It will take 24 hours to rotate, to complete one rotation. 365 days, 0.14 for one revolution. एक साल बनाने के लिए, वो एक चक्कर लगाने के लिए, सन के एक चक्कर लगाने के लिए पृथ्वी 365 दिन लगाती है, और एक रोटेट करने के लिए, एक सर्कल रोटेट करने के लिए 1 दिन लगाती है. ये तो पता है आपको. Same way, sun, like sun, nucleus is in the center. Electron revolve around the nucleus like Earth is revolving in 1 year. Revolving. Second side, with the revolution, Earth is rotating also. Similar way, with the revolution, electron are rotating also. That rotating of electron is called spin. Electron or revolving of rotating of electron is called spin, which is rotating in 2 ways. One rotation is clockwise, like this way, clockwise. Second rotation is anti-clockwise. It means that if one electron is revolving, one time electron will revolve clockwise. Second time electron will revolve anti-clockwise. Got my point? One time electron will revolve clockwise. Second time electron will revolve anti-clockwise. Similar way, when it is taking one round around the nucleus, it is called orientation. एक round को इसको orientation बोलते हैं. Clear? Now I am going to tell you very important what type of question is coming. First, so it is coming. It can come. Write complete information about quantum number. Write a short note on quantum number. Then you have to write definition of quantum number. You need to write the types of quantum number: principal, azimuthal, magnetic, spin. These four complete set of quantum number give us complete information about atom. कि atom की energy क्या है, atom में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है, how many electron will put in which shell. It is giving us about the shape. What will be the shape of orbital? You know, s orbital is spherical, p orbital is dumbbell, d orbital is double dumbbell, like this way. Magnetic is giving us about the orientation, -1 0 orientation means कितने revolve में कितना orientation. Spin is giving us spin. Okay, now let me make diagram of this. Let me make diagram of this. एक atom का diagrammatic representation I'm giving. Okay, what do you mean by energy now? This is energy, KLM, right? This is energy. Information about KLM, in which you said K 2 electron, L 8 electron 2 times, M 18 electron, right? Clear? Number of electron. Number of electron inside the atom is giving principal quantum number. Shape. What will be the shape of S? S shape is always spherical. P shape is always dumbbell. ऐसा है और फिर ऐसा है तीसरा P X Y Z. D shell is double dumbbell. We have drawn this double dumbbell shape. You watch the previous videos from YouTube. You will come to know double dumbbell. dxy, dyz, dzx. Orientation is what? Orientation is, you know very well, this electron, suppose here one electron is there, it revolve around the nucleus like in wave motion. It revolve, ये complete करता है revolution by wave motion. Okay. Now in wave, up, down, up, down, up, down. Is there or not? Like if one electron is moving like this way, it has up and down, which is called trough and crust in physics language. Trough and crust. This trough crust, if upside is there, it will give positive sign. If downside is given, it will negative sign. It means that if any electron, if any atom electron is revolving around the nucleus, it will revolve like this way, up, down, up, down. And when up is there, then positive charge. When down is there, negative charge. When up is there, positive charge. When now down is there, negative charge. Like this way, it will revolve around the nucleus. Now spin. Electron are spinning clockwise, plus half, anti-clockwise, minus half. This is the sign. Okay. So give me thumbs up those who got all four information. Give me thumbs up those who understood कि भाई क्या चार information हमें मिल रही है atom की. We are getting information about atom, energy is number of electron, shape, the shape of orbital, orientation, the up and down electron movement, wave like, spin, clock and anti-clock. So this is the four complete information about the quantum number. Once again, give me thumbs up those who understood about the quantum set. Okay, now question in exam, this is the first type of question. Second kind of question can ask in different way. It can be asked by in the exam, like if the value of this type of question I will give. This type of question I will give when 10 o'clock your exam question chapter this is class is there. If value of n is 2, what will be the value of L? What will be the value of M? What will be the value of S? Okay, if value of n is 2, what will be the value of L, M, S? Yes, who will give me this answer? This type of question, if we'll ask, what is the value of L, M, and S? See, dear students, I am telling you, n is 2. It means that K is 1, L is 2. It means that electrons are in second shell. Electrons are present in second shell. Okay. So what will be the shell? Which shell? Electron present in which shell? Kunal, electron is present in which shell? If number is given 2. यहाँ बताया ना मैंने, if 1 is there, K, 2 is there, L, if 3 is there, then M. It means that electron present in L shell, number 1. Electron present in which shell? L shell. What is the value of L? L is always n minus 1. L is always n minus 1. What will be the value of L? 2 minus 1. N is 2. So L is 2 minus 1. What will be the value of L? Pi L. Simple math hai.
1.
1. We will write from 0. Okay? 0, 1. We will not write direct 1. We will write 0, 1. If value of L is, if value of N is 4, for example, what will be the value of L then? Yes, very easy. N minus 1. Vanshika, what will be the value of L then? If N is 4, what will be the value of L? Formula is N minus 1. Yes, Vanshika Thakur. जल्दी करो थोड़ा. Say, speak, beta.
3, sir.
3. So we will not write direct 3. We will write 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, this is I want to say. Now, if there is value of N, L value is depending upon N. Similarly, M value is depending upon L. So what is the value of M now? If it is 1, it will be integers. From 1 se start karna, minus 1, 0, plus 1. If 3 is there, then it will start from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Okay, got my point? Mean value of M is depending upon L. Minus 1, 0, plus 2. Now what is the value of S? It will be always half plus and half negative. Clear? समझ गए मेरी बात? Like this way we can find out the quantum set. Now what is the meaning of this 3? अगर ये 3 हो गए तो अच्छा, in which shell the 3 is there? One more thing here I want to tell you. If the value of N is 2, L is 1, so 1 will be what? Because now I'm telling you azimuthal. S is always representing 0. क्योंकि क्वांटम नंबर बोला तो हमने सारी शेप नंबर में कन्वर्ट करनी है. तो S, P, D we will not write. We will write number. S is 0, P is 1, D is 2, F is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The value will be written like this with 0, 1, 2, 3. So now here, see, L is 1. It means that 1 is what? 1 is what? 1 is P. And P have what shape? Which shape P have? कितनी shape है P में? कितने orbital है? P have how many orbitals? कितने orbitals होते हैं P में? तुमको पता होना चाहिए बेटा. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like S have 1 orbital when we are filling electron configuration. E have 3, D have 5, F have 7. Is it or not? कुछ नहीं पता आपको. मस्ती करो, ठीक है? No problem. When I was telling you watch the video, that time you are not watching video. These are Px, Py, Pz, Py. These are the shape of P orbital. So this is on P. Clear? So like this way, we can find out the complete information. Take screenshot of this. Complete information of any atom from quantum set. So we are going to end the meeting now. Quickly revise. Today we did quantum number. Quantum number is a set of number which give us complete information about atom, in which principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number are 4 type of set. This give us complete. Principal quantum number is giving us energy, information about energy. Azimuthal quantum number is giving us information about the shape. Magnetic quantum number giving us information about the orientation. and spin quantum number giving us idea about the spin of electron. Okay, so when if suppose n is given to you, you can find out L, M, S easily. So do the practice like this kind of question now. Okay, clear? At 10 o'clock, when my period is there, 40-minute period, I will give some of the question and you need to solve those questions and you need to practice this question by written. पूरा question बढ़िया ढंग से लिखो, because this question will come of 2 or 3 marks in term 1 exam also and in final exam also. With this, I told you de Broglie question, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Schrodinger wave equation, those small definition also you need to study. Today's chapter, today was the revision of chapter 2. Hund's rule, electronic configuration, Ofo principle, these all things today you practice. If you still feel problem, you can ask me. Okay, so thank you very much. You can leave now if there is no doubt.